The safety gauge is a helpful tool to verify machine guarding compliance. The safety gauge is compact and easily unfolds when needed. Simply insert the gauge through the mesh opening as shown. If the gauge contacts the rotating hazard, your guard is not compliant. To use the gauge correctly, always orient the gauge with the short side of the mesh opening. Imagine the gauge being round. If the gauge stops before contacting the rotating hazard, your mesh opening size is compliant. The safety gauge was designed to resemble a human arm starting at the fingertips and verifies compliance by measuring the guard distance to the hazard relative to the mesh opening size. Contact us today for your free safety gauge, and remember, stay away, stay safe.